welcome back to your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices. So today we are going to make one of my favorite and a North Indian famous snack, Kadhi Samosa. So let's get into the preparation. So initially let's prepare a dough for samosa. For this I have taken 1 cup of maida, salt as per the taste, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwan along with hot oil of around 1 tablespoon. Mix all this well so that the oil combines with the flour before you add water that adds crisp for the samosa. So now start kneading the dough by adding water at the intervals. The dough for samosa has to be stiff, firm and not sticky. Cover the dough with a muslin cloth and rest it for up to half an hour. So let's start making aloo stuffing for samosa. For this I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of jeera along with ginger garlic chilli paste of around 1 teaspoon. Fry all this in a low flame up to 1 minute and start adding the spices. So now I'm going to add a pinch of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder along with 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. So mix all this well and leave it till it turns into a good aroma. So now add salt as per the taste. So now it's time to add boiled and smashed potato along with peas of around 1 cup. Mix the turmeric powder with the oil and add around 1 tablespoon. So now make sure the masala is coated well to the potato and the peas. So gradually add the chopped coriander, mix well again and keep it aside. So now let's make a buttermilk mixture for the kadhi. For this I have taken 1 cup of curd and adding enough amount of water that makes the buttermilk. So now I'm going to add tiny cup of gram flour and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all this well and keep it aside. So now let's make a kadhi. In a heated oil I'm going to add half teaspoon of jeera, chopped garlic of around half teaspoon and chopped chillies of around 10. So now I'm going to add salt to these chillies that enhances the taste for your kadhi. So now I'm going to add 1 glass of water and leaving it for boiling. Once it is heated well, add the prepared buttermilk mixture. Once the kadhi is heated, you can see the kadhi puffs up, and now I'm going to add handful of coriander and half teaspoon of sugar. So now the mouth-watering kadhi is ready for samosa. So now let's make the most awaited samosas. Divide the dough into small ball sized and flatten them with your fingers. Sprinkle some dry flour and roll the dough into oval shape. So this should not be neither too thick nor too thin. So cut this into 2 equal halves. So now take 1 half and make like a cone. Press the edges so that it sticks well. So now take the enough amount of aloo stuffing and place it into this cone. Make a pleat, press it gently and seal the samosas. So now the samosa is ready for frying. So I'm just going to pour a required amount of oil into this kadai. Once the oil is heated, drop the samosas one after the other. Fry the samosas until it turns to the golden brown in a medium flame. Once the samosas turn into a golden brown, remove them from the oil and serve it on your plate. So now the kadhi and samosa is ready. Pour the hot kadhi on top of the samosa. So that is about today's episode, Kadhi Samosa. Make this recipe today in your home and I am sure you all would love this. Stay tuned and stay connected only with your favorite Ashish cooking channel, House of Delicious and Spices.